Hi, this is Jeevanatnam and welcome to my channel Jeevan Astro Answers. Just think what we need to survive: food, water, or even air. Obviously, in this video, I am going to concentrate on water, the relationship between the water and the human body. Water is one of the essential constituents of all living beings, and it constructs a huge part of physical makeup. In some organisms, up to 90% of their body weight comes from water. In case of human adult body, it's composed of up to 60% water, and approximately the brain and heart are composed of 75% water, and the lungs are about 83% water. The skin contains 70% water. Muscles and kidneys are up to 80%, and even the bones are also watery, up to 22%. As human body is mainly composed of water, each day a person must consume a certain amount of water for the survival. Of course, this varies according to age, gender, and also by where someone lives. Generally, an adult male needs about 3 liters per day, and adult female needs about 2.2 liters per day. But it doesn't mean that all the water for a person's need does not come from the drinking liquids, but also it comes from the food that what we eat. Water is a chemical compound with the chemical formula of H2O. A water molecule contains one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms that are connected by covalent bonds. And the major function of water is to transport nutrients throughout the body. In our body, water acts as a fundamental solvent for all biochemical processes. In water, many different molecules like a solid, liquid, or even gas can get dissolved in it. Once it gets dissolved in water, it turns as an ions and are known as electrolytes. Electrolytes are single electrically charged particles and play an important role in maintaining water balance as well as acid-base balance in the body. Sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and chloride are examples of electrolytes. Electrolytes play an important role in our bodies for nerve to nerve communications, heartbeats, and contraction of muscles. So, maintaining a healthy concentration of electrolytes are very important to maintain the central activities of the vital organs. Apart from that, many substances can get dissolved in water and it become vital for transporting it throughout the body. Blood which is composed of 83% of water, transports oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, waste products, and more from cell to cell. Urine is also composed of water and it's a very important transporter too. The main function of urine is to remove waste products from the body. Our bodies must maintain a very specific pH level of about 7.4, and water is a very important reactant that helps maintain the pH of up to 7.4. Drinking water that it may activate the body metabolism as saliva is mainly composed of water and it consists of some amounts of electrolytes, mucus, and enzymes. And this combination is very essential to breakdown of solid food materials and to maintain the healthy mouth. Furthermore, water is essential to digest food in the gastrointestinal tract because the intestinal fluid contains enzymes and acids and it aids for food digestion. Water also helps dissolve vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from the food. The carbohydrates and proteins that our bodies acquire from the food are metabolized and transported by water to the bloodstream. As a final point, water delivers these vitamins and other components to the rest of the body for the further use. Drinking water. It also maintains the bowel movements and it prevents constipation. Studies indicate that increased water intake may reduce the risk of framing kidney stones. Water is needed for the body defense mechanism. It keeps the eyes moist and washes away dirt and rims from the eyes. Water even lubricates the joints and makes the motion smooth. Dehydration is the result of the body that not having enough water. Severe dehydration can be very dangerous and can result in a number of severe complications including swelling the brain, kidney failure, says so. Proper hydration is key to maintaining a tip-top cognitive shape. And also, staying hydrated is crucial to sustain the body temperature. As during physical activities, our body loses water through sweat and keeps the body cool. Meanwhile, our body loses electrolytes and plasma when it's dehydrated. This may cause serious medical conditions like decreased blood pressure and hypothermia. Extreme dehydration can cause seizures and even death, so drinking plenty of water during physical activity is very essential. According to astrology, people born under the water signs are known for their emotions. They understand and analyze things and connect to people on a deep level. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are the three zodiacs that fall under the water science. And water signs have the great potential to develop extraordinary artists as they have extensive power of imagination. Cancer is a cardinal, Scorpio is a fixed, and Pisces is a mutable sign in water signs. Cancer is all about caring and cultivating loved ones, whereas Scorpio understands things much deeper. Finally, Pisces are the most artistic and one of the most empathetic zodiacs in astrology. There is no more important nutrient in our body than water. Water is the most widely used material for the body's functions and processes, as well as act as a building material. One can survive weeks without food but can only survive a small number of days without water. Daily water intake is extremely important to replenish the water lost through our body process including urination, sweating and breathing. When the water is not replaced, we become dehydrated. 1% dehydration means we become thirsty with reduced concentration. 5% dehydration, we become hot and tired with decreased performance. 10% dehydration leads to delirium and blurred vision. 20% dehydration may result in death, all because water is a vital resource. We know that it's indispensable for life itself, and the function of water in the body is to provide a host of essential functions for good health. To maintain the optimal health, always be attentive in the amount of water you drink each day. I hope you might have received some useful information from this video. We will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.